Okay, this is cheese sambusik.
This one?
Yeah, cheese sambusik.
Okay.
Spinach fatayar.
Spinach
Fatayar.
fatayar.
Yeah. Beef sambusik.
Beef sambusek.
And this is chicken kibbe.
Chicken.
Kibbe. Yeah, we have here.
Oh, kibbe. Okay, that's
we
one.
have beef and lamb. And this is gonna be new on the menu is chicken.
Okay.
Chicken kibbe.
Wala pa na sa menu ang
No,
beef
it's not.
fra ug lamb na.
Yeah, these two are new.
Okay. This?
Yeah. Spinach fatayar from spinach.
Spinach fatayar.
Yeah, it's vegetarian.
And this is the beef shawarma.
With the garlic sauce and spiced fries.
Spicy fries.
Spice,
Spiced fries.
not spicy.
Okay,
This is
spice.
the spicy sauce.
Okay.
Chili garlic and our homemade garlic sauce.
Okay. And then combo meal number 2.
Combo number 2.
This one.
Yeah.
Di ko mapakita.
Hi.
Mauwaw si
Cheater,
chef.
ah.
Mauwaw si chef, guys.
Alright, enjoy your meal.
Thank you,
You're
chef.
welcome. See you soon.
See you soon. So hey guys, we're back here at Shawarma Gourmet, located in Escarrio Central, here in Cebu City. And guess what? We're accepting pre-orders for the products that they're displaying here in their shop. And I'll be listing everything, and I'll be including photos here on my page. Pero mo na ilang yun ang baligya.
Oh, it's from Morocco.
And the other one, rote linsen. What's that?
That's a burger, crushed wheat.
This?
Crushed wheat. It's from, this
Crushed
is lentil,
wheat?
the yellow lentil.
So this works like just the rice, the common grain.
Which one?
These grains over here.
No, this one we use it for the salad.
Oh, wheat fine.
The lentil is used like hummus for
Okay.
like for
But it's flavored
no.
because the color looks like it's spicy. Those are jams. And then olives, sesame paste. Then the juices. Lahana turusu, cabbage pickle. What's this, a wrapper?
Yes, it's a great leaf pepper.
Pickles. Beet pickle. Ano yung mga powder linto. Coriander. Oh, I remember coriander. They add that also to Indian food. I'll be posting a different post with pictures of the price list in case you have any products you'd like to purchase. Feel free to message me so that we can order it from Shawarma Gourmet, and then this should be pre-order basis, and we'll just talk about the additional price, additional rate for the delivery. Saffron. So for those who love to cook Lebanese or Indian food, you can purchase the ingredients from them.
We can take picture of the beef now. You open a branch there.
Me?
Yeah.
Unya nagmadato ko.
From the home cooking. So after that, you can also check me if it will, but I have a meeting later.
Next month pa man ako birthday.
Okay. Another party.
Mga unta guys. Spiced fries. My early lunch. Gimingo ko sa lasa. 1 year na po kakaon ani.
Still lami?
Of course. You forgot I have Lebanese blood.
Yes. Mestiza.
Mga unta ma'am.
Sige, ma'am, tiwa ko.
Mga unta miga. Mga unta.
Are we okay?
Yes.
Good. Can I have one?
Yeah. Go. Lamig man siya maskin white sauce. Lamig. Unsa na? Amo na kanong apat panghatag. Kasabot.
Wala ba?
Wala ka kasabot.
Yeah.
Ato ni Pilbe. So guys, if you'd be visiting Shawarma Gourmet multiple times, of course, you'll be given a loyalty card. This is for free, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then every time you visit, you will get 10% discount. I hope I got it right. So you have 4, 5, 6, 7. Every for the 7 visits, you get 10% off on your total bill,
Yeah.
entire bill. And then on the 8th visit, you get a 250 peso GC from Shawarma Gourmet, care of Chef Mansour. So daghan ko ging ani sa mangayo na taga syudad. Let me know. I have tons. Let me know if you want. And also, wow, I have vouchers. This is valid for 6 months. Okay, until June. Wow. Okay. They also have gift certificates which has amount of 250, 500, and 100. You can buy them here, and ingon si chef, if you buy 10, you get 2 free for the same amount, right? Okay. So buy 10 gift certificates from Shawarma Gourmet, you get 2 for free. So, diba? Sulit. So, Happy New Year, everyone. Dagko gyud kay ilang gourmet guys. Maglisod kag kurot. mga appetizer ni sila. And they come along with free dips, of course. So again, cheese, spinach, beef, and chicken. O, diba? Kumpleto. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope to see you on my next vlog. Don't forget to like and follow Shawarma Gourmet. And if you'd like to visit their restaurant, it's located in Ascari Central here in Cebu City. Store hours 10
to midnight.
10 a.m. to midnight. So you'll have your lunch or your brunch, your dinner here, your snacks. They have rice meals, they have wraps. Mula to daghan sila mga pilihan, guys. They have drinks, they have yogurt, they even have beer. So in case you have inquiries, feel free to chat Shawarma Gourmet. They have a Facebook page. And thank you so much, Chef Mansour, for inviting me again here after 1 year of hiatus.
Ahlan wa sahlan and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Greet them again, Chef. Greet
Ahlan wa sahlan.
and Happy New Year.
Most welcome.
Most welcome and
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Magkita na ka? Nakita na di ay. Okay. Happy New Year, everyone!